Hey, what's going on, guys? I am going to make some cinnamon rolls in the air fryer for you to see if it can be done or if it can't be done. You know, the instructions on the back say that you can make them in the air fryer or in the oven. So we picked up this air fryer right here at Walmart. Yours is probably different, but maybe you got the same one. How are we gonna do it? Check this out. I lined the bottom with parchment paper. As you can see, I had to use multiple pieces because I tore it wrong, but I just put the 8 cinnamon rolls in a circle with the end cinnamon roll that has the most cinnamon on it in the middle, just because it's more aesthetically pleasing that way. I'm just really particular like that. So I'm gonna try to get this puppy up and running. Do not preheat it, okay? I'm gonna put it in. Now what you're gonna wanna make sure you have, if you're gonna make them in the air fryer, is a way to flip them very easily. So I got some tongs I'm gonna use to flip them about halfway through the cooking process. And they cook, apparently they cook faster, a lot faster in the air fryer. They cook about, in the oven they take about 17 minutes, but in the air fryer, I think it's like 6 minutes per side. So we're gonna see here. Air fry at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, bake for 6 minutes, remove them, and use tongs to turn them over. Bake an additional 6 minutes or until the rolls are golden brown and cooked to perfection. Now yours probably doesn't say to perfection because mine doesn't. I just added that. Then we're gonna cut the tip of the icing pouch with scissors and drizzle icing over the hot rolls. But let's get that puppy started. I think it said 320. I don't even remember. Boom, boom. So I powered it on and it gives me a bunch of settings. I'm gonna hit air fry. I'm gonna go down. Oh, nope, that's the time. We wanna change the temp. To 320. And we're gonna set our time for 6 minutes. So it beeps to let me know, because I've got ADD. I won't even remember that I got them going. So I'm gonna hit start and it's going. So there you have it. Come back in 6 minutes.